Hi, I'm Artemio Aquino Jr., a meat cutter, butcher, and I will show you how to debone a pork leg. And for the pork leg, this is now our finished product. The ham leg, the pelvic bones or hip bones, and the bones from the pork leg.